guys, so it's me, your Diane Saril. So hindi ko naman ito i-vlog, but something that I want to share with you guys is I have my another alcansya na naman, but this one is so cute. Look, it's more about traveling. So that's the goal, kasi if you guys know me, sobrang maipon akong tao simula bata. Siguro yun yung something na hindi kasi siya mostly, tinuro din talaga kasi siya ng mami ko, ng lola ko, ng lolo ko. So yun nga, parang since laki akong lola, big thing is that bata pa lang kami, binibigyan na kami ng money, but I always choose to make ipon, ganon. Meron pa akong piggy bank dati, may naging alkansya na ako na can, iba-iba. But this one is our latest alkansya. And take note, I don't have my own bank pa, kaya I settled for this one, even though I know bank is more convenient, bank is more ganito ganyan, but I know myself na dito ako mas nakakaipon, hindi through GCash, kasi sobrang gastos ko kapag yung money ko nasa GCash. I feel like it's just a play money that I can spend and use as a link, QR code whatsoever. So, dito ako nagsasettle kasi it's a cash, it's more secured, even though ganyan lang yung bako. Ganyan lang yung ano. So, nasimulan ko na to. Dito pa rin yung money ko from my grade 12 ipon. The remaining ones. But I'm still paying for my iPad that I bought from my own hard work, you know. So, ang mga napundar ko na so far, this, at my age, kasi dati, 18 years old ako nun eh, nakapag-driving lesson na ako with my own ipon. That's around 5,000 above. 5,000, but yung license, si mami na yung nag-pay nun. Kasi may bayad pa yun eh. Tapos, I already bought a laptop, but siguro half nun. Siguro mga 13,000 yun. Then, I already bought my first Samsung phone, which is wala na sa kanya yun. That's around 10,000. Then, I already bought, ano ba? Yun, itong iPad. So, those are my 3 big purchases from my own savings. And now, since ang coping mechanism natin ay sobrang gastos, which is to travel, yung travel ko naman is inside Philippines lang, kahit may passport na ako kasi, guys, ang mahal. Pero, I'm planning sa, siguro mag-Malaysia ulit, kasi hindi ko na enjoy totally yung out of the country namin, nag-Singapore kami. Kasi una-una, ang mahal. Pangalawa, I'm not really feeling well that month. Kahit kasama ko yung family ko. And pangatlo, hindi ko kasama yung mga friends ko and family kong close, like my pinsan, gano'n. And with the older ones, gano'n, like lola, mami, ate, with asawa niya, gano'n. So, this one is more about my dream to travel the world inside the Philippines lang muna. So, ang goal ko is, tapos na tayo sa Manila, sa Pampanga, sa Baguio, sa Bataan. Ano pa ba napuntahan ko? Kasi nagpunta naman din ako ng Masinloc, ng Iba, but hindi siya totally gala na set as gala, as I will gastos ng malala. Pero hindi naman yun yung goal na gumastos ng malala, but to visit places that I never been to. Yun. So, ang gusto ko ay Batanes, gusto ko pumunta sa Vigan, gusto ko pumunta sa Siargao, but it's hindi siya ng airplane. So, hindi pala, Hong Kong, kaso ang mahal din doon. So, dream ko talaga na country is Japan. Kaya ako nag-Mishubibi din, Japanese food kinamit. And Switzerland. I also want to go sa California, sa New York, sa Paris, simula bata, Paris. For France, you know, Italy, the vibes. And, yun. So far, yun lang naman ata. I want to go to Korea, but I like Japan more than Korea, ganon. Feeling ko kasi mas advanced talaga yung Japan. And halos same naman sila, pero I like them both naman. And Singapore, siguro I'll go back sa Singapore kapag may money na talaga, yung nakapag-ipon talaga. Kasi ang mahal ng country nila, like talagang what the heck. Para sa taxi na 2,000? 2,000 pesos siya dito sa Philippines. That, like, 2,000 ko yata nun is 40 pesos lang sa kanila. Diba? And yun nga. So, siguro ang goal ko din is Tagaytay. Yan, kasi malayo nga lang. Pero I want to go back sa Baguio with my friends ulit. I want to go back sa Manila, Binondo, BGC, U-Belt. Yan yung top 3 ko na gusto balikan. I want to go back sa Quiapo, but I want to explore Binondo. Kasi napuntahan ko naman na yung Quiapo. Then, Pampanga, Sky Ranch with friends, ganon. And I'm planning to earn around 10 to 15,000 by December with my allowance and my business to go sa Baguio. Like, doon ako magsiselebrate ng Christmas kasi I don't have my family here in the Philippines. But, which is kind of exciting, not something that malulungkot ako kasi I can go places. Ganon. And by God's grace, He will provide. So, yun guys. So, top 3 tips that I can share you is, kasi ang hirap talaga mag-ipon. So, number 1, kailangan alam mo yung needs mo sa wants mo. So, Chinkitan said that even though your money is just small, like meron ka lang 1,000 sa isang linggo, but you get to keep 50 pesos. So, 50 times 4, you already have 100 pesos a month. So, 100 times 12, you end up with 1,200. So, yung parang ganon. Pero syempre, I know guys na yung iba sa atin, mas malaki yung income. And minsan, sinasabi na hindi na kasya yung ganong budget. Kasi, totoo naman, ang mahal na ng mga bilihin, bigas pa lang, hindi pa rin 20 pesos pag over. Di ba? In the Philippines. Kasi, alam ko, sa ibang lugar, may 20 pesos na. Pero I don't think na, hindi ko pa rin nakikita, hindi pa rin ako naapektuhan ng, hindi ko pa rin na-feel na 20 pesos talaga yung bigas. Kaya sobrang laki pala ng, grabe pala yung adulting phase that even though yung 10,000 is not enough for a month. Kasi you get to spend a lot of things. Imagine, if my allowance is around 10,000, but I still go to school, so kapag tipid na, I get to have 100 to 150 a day. 100 to 150 a day times 30 is around magkano na. Tapos, wala pa dun yung, like, ano na yung commute mo, nandun yung food mo. Pero how about the place that you are in, yung kuryente mo, yung bills mo, and good thing na lang that you have a house. But what if you're renting? It's not difficult to live ng 10,000 lang, but it's hard to enjoy fully. Parang ganun. So, yun. Also, always see what you need. I-list nyo. Ano ba yung mga needs nyo? Talagang needs, like, pamasahe, pagkain, inumin, pangbayad ng project, ganun. So, needs over wants. So, yung wants mo is kapag may natira na lang from your needs naman. And number 2 is always know what's the most effective thing for you to do in order to save your money. Like, kung hindi mo talaga siya gagastusin, it can either be by saving through piggy bank, by this kind of, katulad ko, ganito ko nakakasave. Or, number 2, pwede din na pang GCash, if feeling nyo hindi nyo gagastos yung money nyo through GCash. Number 3, pwedeng credit card, bank account, ganun. So, number 4 is that you just have a cash. I think having a cash is so not effective. Kasi, ganun yung state natin most of the time. We just have our money, and then ganun. But the other thing that works for me is yung, ito ginagawa ko na siya since high school. Kasi maipon nga ako. So, if I have around 100 or 150 lang yung baon ko noon, high school days, grade 7 to grade 8 siguro, ganun. Tapos nag-increase na siya to 200. But I always divide it into 50%. So, I have, for example, I have 100 pesos, and yung 50 pesos, iiwan ko siya sa bahay ko. So that I don't have any excuse, any struggles na kapag nasa school ako, like biglang mag-aya yung friends ko, I don't have any option but to say no. Kasi my money is not with me. Hindi siya yung parang nakaipit lang sa likod ng phone case ko, hindi lang siya nakalagay to somewhere that I can just easily pull off and spend, ganun. So, yun. And, yun yung ginagawa ko. Iiwan ko yung half or the money that I want to really save. Okay lang naman guys, kahit hindi 50% ng allowance nyo. It can go around 30%. Kasi, lately, 30% din yung sinisave ko sa business ko. So, nakakaipon ka talaga kahit yung 1,000 lang yung profit mo in a day, tapos 30% nun, is a big thing na kapag umabot siya ng a month. Ganun. So, third one is have a goal. Palagi ka dapat may goal. What's the point of you saving money but you don't have a goal? And sabi daw nila, dapat may pinag-iipunan ka. Because if you don't have pinag-iipunan, baka daw mapunta siya as an emergency money mo. Which is kind of scary kasi nga, di ba? Parang, you're not looking forward to buy something or to invest into something, but you keep on saving lang ganun. So, ano yung pinag-iipunan mo? Kasi, yun din yung drive natin. Why do we save money? It is to buy new laptop, new iPhone, new phone, new clothes, ganun. So, dapat may drive ka to really save. Kasi nga, you're looking forward to something greater, something bigger, that you, parang siyang tinatawag na delayed gratification, that you keep on doing the hard part first, then you get to enjoy afterwards, kapag tapos na yung hard part. So, ganun lang. So, first is always list what you need more than what you want, and then, ikwenta nyo yun. Then, if you already know how much money you want to save, always ask, what's the most effective way for you to save money? Is it putting it in the bank, making ganito, alkansya, or third is cash lang, ganon. So, depende din kasi yan. Then, next one is, yun. Second is yung strategy and how to keep it. Third one ko yun. Basta yung have a goal. Magkaroon ka ng goal. So, top 3 lang pala. Magkaroon ka ng goal. Why are you investing? Why are you saving? Why are you doing this? So, palagi dapat may purpose. If you don't have a purpose, it's so easy to compromise things na wala naman akong kailangan paggastusan eh. So, I'll just spend it ngayon lang hanggang nabawas-bawas na siya. So, I think that's all. So, babalitaan ko kayo. So, today, it's July 8, 2025. And this is my alkansya that I'll be spending money with. So, another tip pala is that you watch Chinkitan. Dati hindi ko siya na-appreciate totally kasi I know na kaya ko naman mag-save. But yung learnings, yung mga knowledge, wisdom talaga that he will share, sobrang wow. Now, you can save pala even if you just have a little amount of money. Kasi, what if you have 10,000 but you don't save, unlike sa American 1,000 but you save 50 pesos out of it, diba? So, okay na guys, yung konti lang yung naiipon nyo, but consistent kayo and disciplined. More than may malaki kayong pera, but you don't save money and you don't spend it well. So, yun lang. Ano pa ba? Ayun, another thing that I'm doing lately, or nung nag-start ako dito sa ipon na to, is I made parang shishadan, kasi ganun yung kay Chinkitan. Tapos, meron siyang alkansya if you guys want to buy it, para mas madali. But if you guys want to, you're saving nga, di ba? You can just make or print yung ganitong style. Yan. So, ayun yung sinashaden ko lately. And, ganun din ako nag-start nung, okay guys, so Taylor Swift pala is my first drive, like, the purpose that why I'm saving money. Nag-start ako ng business grade 12. Tapos dun ako nag-start pagbenta ng kung ano-ano. Nagbenta ako ng candies, ng kangkong chips, nagbenta ako ng brownies, ng ice candy, drinks, pancham, mga mismo na coke, mga chichirya. Like, halos kung ano-ano na nabenta ko dun. Then, Grey Humbles is the most wow talaga na nabentahan ko dun. And, yun. Then, next nun, dun ko kinuha pala yung parang hinahaf ko kasi siya. Like, 50% Taylor Swift, 10% for driving, 10% for iPad. Yung iPad, ngayon ko lang siya nabili after 3 years. Kasi I'm still waiting sa concert ni Taylor Swift, but hindi nga nagkaroon dito sa Philippines ng Eras Tour. And those, ano lang yun half of our semester, second sem, dun ako nag-start magbenta. But nakasave ako nun around 13,000. 13,000 ang amazing kasi 13 din si Taylor Swift, December 13. But nagastos ko siya because I bought this iPad. Though, nag-installment ako kasi kailangan ko pa rin ng money. Kasi I'm not depending totally lately din kila mommy. Like, they give me an allowance of 1,000 a month. Yun na yun. So, bahala na ako. And, tinuloy ko yung business ko nung first year college. Nung una kong first year, sa first school ko, nagbenta ako na ng Grey Humbles, candies, yun, with Bella. Then, next, tinuloy ko siya. Hindi ko siya tinuloy nang lumipat ako ng school kasi it's a public one and sobrang not feeling good ako nung time na yun. And, nung nag-stop ako ng mid-second sem, I started and opened my business, Mishu BB, and continued yung Grey Humbles, which is what I have right now. Simula no June until now, it's really doing great. Kaya may money din ako. And nag-stop kasi yung allowance ko nung March, yung hindi na ako pumapasok. Dun na din naging from 3,000. 3,000 kasi yung allowance ko before. From 3,000, naging 1,000 na lang, which is very valid kasi hindi naman ako pumapasok. So kapag gagala ako, nasa sa akin na yun kung paano ako kikita ng money. Kaya nag-asa ako kay mami ng 2,000 to start my business. And that 2,000 grew a lot and I get to buy and go places where I want, ganun. Though, yung lately ko mga napuntahan, like Pampanga, yung Pampanga is, ipon ko pa yun from grade 12, nung nag-Sky Ranch. Then, nung Manila, I just have my pocket money noon, time na yun, and sponsored by my tito, kay Daddy Jebed. Kasi sinabi ko mag-stay ako ng Manila for about 2 more days. With Bella din noon. Tapos, nung next noon is Baguio. Thank you, Lala. Kasi, nanalo siya noon, and deliver niya kaming tatlo noon. And so grateful lang nun. And now, syempre, gusto ko na since yun pa yung coping mechanism ko kapag hindi na, ang gastos kasi, ewan ko, parang hinahanap ko yung vibes lang nasa bus ako malamig, naka-jacket, naka-pillow neck, yung ganong vibes. Kaya I think I can be a Manila girl. Hindi, ayoko Manila, at Baguio girl. Okay lang, pero Pampanga, okay na ako doon. Pampanga girl. Ganon. Tapos, gabiyahe pa, uwi. Ganon. Or, I want to go na sa Bataan din. Kasi, baka doon din tumira yung pinsan ko next year. And, maybe I'll join her then. So, yun lang. Ang dami kong sinabi. So, guys, spend your money wisely and tell your friends that you're setting boundaries and you're nag-iipon ka sa something because sometimes it's easier to pretend that you have a lot but then deep inside you're struggling. But if you have friends who can understand you, that's the most important and wow na feeling. So yun, just keep on it's okay guys to have a pamper day, like how you treat yourself, ganon. Actually sa allowance ko next month, kasi next month pa yung start ng allowance ko, like yun talaga yung allowance na lahat-lahat, hindi lang siya pang school kasi wala na din akong like family who provides me dito sa Philippines. So like talagang allowance na ibibigay sa akin monthly na pang food ko talaga kahit sa bahay ako, ganun kahit wala akong pasok. So yun, na-realize ko kagabi na ang mahal pala, like I thought 10,000, 15,000 is enough, but then food pa lang ang mahal na. Even if gulay nga lang kasi nagda-diet naman ako pero I want to make my diet healthy pa din, kaya nagluluto ako ng veg, ganun. So that's all guys. So I hope you get to learn something out of this video. So always know how to balance your money, discipline, and goal. That's the top 3 that you get to isipin nyo while saving. What's your priorities? How can you save effectively? And what's your goal on doing it? So that's all guys. And wala pa akong ligo. Just like kakauwi ko nga lang dito sa bahay na to. So bye-bye.